Rink, but look what I see in the ditch. Roadie. I got a roadie. See. Oh, yeah. Beauty. Yeah. Let's see. Hold it up. Heck yeah. Give me pound it. Yeah. Good job, buddy. More. Let's go find some more. Well, this is about as fresh as they come. Fell right off the fucker's head, man. All right, let's get the pickup of this. Nice. Nice moose paddle, baby. Well, me and Garrett here come hang some cameras, and I spotted this out the window. Pick it up, Garrett. Let's check it out. Beauty buck. Pick it up. What do we got there, buddy? Oh, that's a nice one. Morning sheds. Give me pound it. Other hand. Yeah. Let's see it. Nice one, eh, buddy? Should we go find some more? Yeah, let's go find some more. Following the buck trail. Pick it up. Hey, good job, buddy. Another knuckles. Bucky. Alrighty. See what we got here. Nice. Right on. Beautiful little snowflower. Nice. Buddy, what are we doing? What's there? Is that a buck? Pick it up. Pick it up. Ha ha! Look at that one. That's a big guy, isn't it? Nice one. Alright, see what we got here. Fuck yeah. Always shed hunting, baby. Well, let's see what we got here. Some pretty dark bone. Oh, fuck, is that nice. That is beautiful. Was that a big horn?
Yeah.
Pick it up.
Ice.
Ice?
Yeah.
Grab the horn, see if it'll come out.
Ah.
That's a good one. That's a gooder, isn't it?
Oh yeah, this has got to be her. The other side through the drop time buck. Ugh. Yes, man. Oh, buddy. She's a beauty. Go up here. She is a beauty.
Little brother just fucking scooped up these nice guys. Hold them up real quick. Nice 5. I stumbled across this. Let's see what we got here. Oh my. Fuck. Oh. That's a big one, buddy. We just picked up one side over there. Started combing this hillside. Looked down, and here it is. Oh, buddy. Yes, bro, man. Fuck yeah. Oh, and just like that, I think we got a matcher. Oh, fuck, buddy, that's sick. Fuck, is that sick. Well, beauty. Cool little buck. Well, here's another one. Beauty. Well, I just picked up that 5 there. Look up the hill and there's another 5. Beautiful. Man, we're stocking them up today. Beautiful. What a beautiful buck. 2 sets of the day, baby. What do we got here? Another one. Nice. Oh, what a reward to climb the top to the hill, eh? Oh, fuck. So I was just skirting this ridge here. tromping along. Going at a good pace. Look over, I seen some tines. I had to back up and that's all I seen. I was like, no way. Yeah, that's my shed already, but look at this. It doesn't get much easier than that. Oh, nice big pop can bases. Beautiful. It's gotta be one of the coolest moose sheds I could say I've ever found. That's wild. Look at that. Completely grown right into the tree. Nice moose battle too. Oh, let's see what we got. Oh, beauty. Fuck, that's a heavy shed. First one of the day. Pocket shed, baby. Fucking A, man. Look at that guy. Stud 4. Woo! Nice little buck. Oh, what a heavy 4, buddy. Beautiful. It's always when you don't bring the pack, you start fucking picking antlers up. I even got one in the bino harness. God damn, I'm fucking sweating, burning that fat, boy. No better way to find them than hanging, baby. Hell yeah. You don't find these every day. Nose paddle. Holding. First one of the day. Nice 4 point. Hey, boys. Oh, little 4 point. Be fine, bud. What is that, a big one?
Happy.
Is it a heavy one? How many points? How many points?
1, 2, 3, 4.
One more. 5. It's a 5 point. Isn't that nice? Can I have some knuckles? Right on, buddy. Jump down there, bud. What do we got here? Show daddy. Nice. Behind you. It's behind you. There it is. Deer poop. Pick up the antler, bud. That's a good one. That is a good one, eh? Does it got a broken point? Yeah, let's go find some more.